This video will review how to edit enrollment in Albert. Edits to enrollment can be made to change to a different section of a course's non-primary component, such as labs or recitations. Edits to enrollment can also be used to change the number of units for a variable unit class. To edit a class, begin by scrolling down to your Enrolled Courses section. Then click the Edit button. Select a class you are allowed to edit from the drop-down menu and click the Proceed button. For this example, I will show how to change to a different section of a course's non-primary component. In this example, it is a recitation section that is linked to a larger lecture class. You may receive an Albert warning at this time about non-enrollment components. This just means that using the Edit Enrollment feature to change sections of a lab or recitation is only possible if there are still open sections available. Click OK to proceed. Select a new section using the drop-down menu. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Next button. This page is where you can enter a permission number if one is required. Scroll down to review the class details and notes, then click Next. Confirm the original and new enrollment details for the recitation or lab section. Then click the Finish Editing button. The results page will tell you if the edit was successful or if there were errors. X out of the page and return to the Albert home screen. This concludes the Edit Enrollment video. For more information about registration, please visit the website and contact your advisor or student link with any questions.